Chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie. Healthy, high-protein breakfast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a delicious, creamy, and protein-packed smoothie that's perfect for breakfast, post-workout recovery, or a healthy snack. It's the chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, optional, ice cubes. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by peeling the banana and gathering all your ingredients. This smoothie comes together in just a few minutes. Step 2. Add ingredients to blender. Add the banana, peanut butter, chocolate protein powder, milk, cocoa powder, and a handful of ice cubes into your blender. Step 3. Blend until smooth. Blend everything on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and perfectly blended. Step 4. Serve. Pour the smoothie into your favorite glass. Look at that rich chocolate color and creamy texture. Wow! This smoothie tastes just like a chocolate peanut butter milkshake, but it's packed with protein and nutrients. It's satisfying, delicious, and great for keeping you energized throughout the day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more healthy smoothie recipes every week. Let me know in the comments what smoothie you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music fades out.